Please welcome Ola Ka, member of the Board of Management of Daimler AG, responsible for group research in Mercedes-Benz cars development.
Ladies and gentlemen, a happy new year to all of you. I have to say, I am extremely happy today. Last night, I was in the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, and I watched the Crimson Tide struggle in the first half of the game, fight their way back in the second half, and win the national championship with an incredible 41-yard touchdown in overtime. I still can't stop smiling. Why am I saying this? It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience to see your favorite team right in our backyard where we have our plant in Alabama achieve such a victory. There's only one team I love more, obviously, Mercedes-Benz. And now we celebrate an amazing achievement as well. We intend to revolutionize the way you interact with cars. For example, I've had some of my best conversations in a car, but so far, talking to a car tends to feel like this. We will change that today. This year, what happens in Las Vegas won't stay in Las Vegas. Before we come to that, let me give you some background on what's going on at our company right now. First of all, we started this year with some great news. Yesterday, we published our full year numbers for 2017, and it turned out to be our 7th record year in a row. We remain the most successful premium car brand worldwide. All in all, we delivered about 2.3 million Mercedes-Benz cars to customers around the globe, and nearly 340,000 of them went to the US, allowing us to remain the #1 luxury brand here as well. We will build on this success to drive the greatest change our industry has ever seen. It's all about the fusion of 4 megatrends that we label with the acronym CASE. In other words, we are creating an intelligent, holistic approach
Hi Ola, I'll be there any minute. Could you just play the video, please? You know what they always say, a picture's worth 1,000 words, right?
Okay, let's have a look.